Welcome to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the Amazon Basics Gas Grill Barbecue Cover. A top choice for protecting your outdoor grill. If you're looking for the best stove cover for your gas stove top, you're in the right place. This particular grill cover measures 46 inches in length and is designed to fit most gas grills up to 44 by 22 inches. It offers exceptional protection during everyday use and is particularly helpful when the grill is not in use during the off-season. Constructed from woven polyester fabric with a water-resistant backing, this cover shields your grill from the elements, including rain, snow, sun, and dust, ensuring your investment lasts longer. One of the standout features of this cover is its air vents, which minimize the chance of condensation and prevent the cover from billowing in the wind. This thoughtful design is further enhanced by an elastic bungee cord that keeps the cover securely in place, even during breezy conditions or unexpected wind gusts. When it comes to dimensions, the cover measures 46.06 inches in length, 24.01 inches in depth, and 46.06 inches in height, allowing for a snug fit while also providing extra space for your grill. For those looking to ensure they select the right fit, it's recommended to choose a cover that measures at least 2 inches larger in both length and width than your gas grill. This added space helps accommodate any built-in features your grill might have, like side shelves. The Amazon Basics Gas Grill Barbecue Cover is not just practical, it also offers great value. Available in classic black, it blends seamlessly with any garden or patio decor. Priced affordably, it provides a cost-effective solution for keeping your grill in pristine condition. In summary, the Amazon Basics Gas Grill Barbecue Cover is an excellent choice for anyone wanting to protect their grill from the elements. Its durable material, secure fit, and thoughtful design features make it a fantastic investment for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. If you want to ensure your grill remains in top shape, this cover should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and make sure to subscribe for more insights on the best products out there.